In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Smartsheet efficiently and effectively using a few different methods. Whether you're working on a detailed project sheet or need a closer look at specific data, adjusting your view can significantly enhance your experience and productivity. We'll cover both keyboard shortcuts for those who enjoy quick commands and options available right from your browser menu. Let's start with keyboard shortcuts, a fast and direct approach. If you're working on a Windows machine and want to zoom in, simply hold down the Control key and press the plus key. It's a straightforward way to bring everything closer to you without needing to sift through menus. For those of you on a Mac, the process is just as easy, but involves using the CMD key instead. So, you'll hold down CMD on your keyboard and press plus. This convenient shortcut makes it effortless to enlarge text or spreadsheet elements, perfect for when you need to focus on intricate details or make text more readable. When you need to zoom out, perhaps to get a broader view of the entire sheet, the inverse shortcuts are your friend. On Windows, you'll again press Control, but this time with the key. Mac users will press CMD and more. This reduction in zoom level allows you to see more of your sheet, facilitating better overall planning and coordination at a glance. Now, if you find you've adjusted your zoom a few times and want to quickly return to the default view, there's a keyboard shortcut for resetting the zoom. On Windows, hold Ctrl and press 0. Mac users should use CMD and 0. This combination will instantly revert your zoom setting back to 100%. Ensuring you're back to a standard and familiar view. Apart from these quick shortcuts, you can also adjust zoom levels through your browser's interface, which might be more intuitive for those who prefer graphical user interfaces. Begin by locating the three-dot menu at the top right corner of your browser. This is often referred to as the More Options menu. Once clicked, you should find a zoom option in the ensuing drop-down menu. Here, you can manually adjust the zoom level using either a slider or buttons that represent plus and T. This method can be particularly helpful if you're not comfortable using keyboard shortcuts or if you're juggling other tasks where the mouse is more convenient. Each method is designed to fit a different style of working. Experiment with these options to discover which method best integrates with your workflow. Remember, adjusting your zoom is not just about enlarging or reducing, it's about optimizing your workspace to match the task at hand. We hope this guide helps you navigate and utilize Smartsheet with greater accuracy and ease. Enjoy your journey to more streamlined productivity.